Hello everyone and welcome back to the EnTech channel. One of the most ambitious warship classes in recent memory, the USS Zumwalt-class guided missile destroyers are also the most advanced. The three destroyers, Zumwalt, Monsoor, and Johnson, combine stealth, advanced sensors, a revolutionary propulsion system, and the ability to operate drones and helicopters into a deadly platform that could rule the seas. Controversial in cost, armament, and purpose, the Zumwalts are now being repurposed by the U.S. Navy into assassins of the sea, killing enemy ships while staying hidden. Here's everything we know about them. The origins of the Zumwalt-class destroyers. The story of the Zumwalt-class guided missile destroyers goes back to the early 1990s. A decade before, the four World War II vintage Iowa-class battleships were reactivated and returned to duty, their mission to support Marine Corps amphibious landings with their big guns. Large, expensive to operate, and manpower intensive, they were among the first ships on the chopping block once the Cold War ended. The Marine Corps lamented the loss of firepower, which left the MEC 45 5-inch guns mounted on guided missile cruisers and destroyers as the only guns in the fleet available to support seaborne invasions. Although numerous and rapid-firing, the MEC 45 guns had limited range and couldn't come close to the explosive firepower of an Iowa battleship's 9 16-inch guns. The Marines argued for the return of a powerful naval gunfire capability in some shape or form. The big gun lobby gained traction after the attacks of September 11, 2001, when the Navy saw the opportunity to become relevant in the wars and insurgencies in the age of counterterrorism. A long-range gun could strike terrorist bases, training camps, and weapons of mass destruction far out to sea, while at the same time providing covering fire for Marines hitting the beach. How the Zumwalts were built. The Navy and industry began working on a new warship and gun to make the capability a reality. The ship would be built around a pair of 155mm advanced gun systems, rapid-fire 6-inch guns that fired a new artillery shell, the Long-Range Land Attack Projectile, LRLAP. Unlike traditional guns that fired shells on a ballistic trajectory, making small adjustments until the shells walk onto their target, the $50,000 LRLAP projectile would be capable of first-round hits at ranges of up to 83 nautical miles. Although the 6-inch shells didn't pack the same punch as a 16-inch battleship shell, LRLAP would hit the target every single time. The advanced gun system would also fire up to 10 rounds a minute, adjusting the trajectory of its shells so that several could land in the impact zone simultaneously. How the Zumwalts get their power. The destroyers were also built with an innovative power system. The Integrated Power System, IPS, is provided by two Rolls-Royce MT-30 main turbine generators, ocean-going derivatives of the engine that powers the Boeing 777 wide-body jetline. Each delivers 34.5 megawatts of power. The ships are also equipped with two Rolls-Royce RR4000 500 auxiliary turbine generators capable of providing 3.9 megawatts each.